You gotta fill your time up with other things.
Yes.
Like boredom makes you just want to sit around and eat. Like,
That's
and not just you.
yes.
It's like you see the kids upstairs. I mean, you know, like nobody is small in here except for Corey, and Corey eat applesauce and oatmeal and drinks, you
Yes.
know, his bottles and stuff. But
Yes.
for the most part, like if y'all are sitting around all day and you're like idle, you don't have nothing to do but eat.
Yeah, that's what
You know, like so. Yeah, you just have to find other things to fill your time with. Read a book.
Like, yeah, like a
When the last time you read a book?
To be honest with you, it's been time.
It's been a minute.
It's been a minute since I read a book.
Okay. You remember the last book you read?
The last book I read was, I think the one had like it had basketball players on it. One was like LeBron James on it.
Okay, you love him, huh?
Yes.
You love it.
I do.
Yes.
Yes, I do. Yeah.
That's okay. You're a fan, and that's what's up. That's what fans are supposed to be.
I am a fan of him.
Yeah.
He's definitely, very, very, very sincere. You know, I heard